Cellular V2X stands for cellular vehicle to everything, which connects vehicle to everything around us, including infrastructures, network, pedestrians, and to other vehicles as well. And cellular vehicle V2X is part of the cellular standard, 3GPP standard, and it has been getting a lot of traction lately since the beginning of 2019. And some of the examples are one of the market leaders in telematics space, Harman, decided to adopt cellular V2X connectivity on all of their telematics units starting from 2021. And big vehicle companies such as Ford is also on board, where they're planning to add cellular V2X connectivity on all of their vehicles starting in 2022. So there's a massive push in the industry to make these cars connect to everything around us. And we're going to get a first glimpse of how things are going to get connected before we see a lot of exciting features to add safety, mainly safety, leading into 5G technology. So far, we have seen the launch of smartphones with enhanced mobile broadband, which brings enormous amount of speed compared to what we have seen from LTE. And what is actually to come from 5G in the future is that we're going to see a massive number of IoT connections across, even inside the small city block, we can actually theoretically see up to 1 million connections around our neighborhood. And another thing is 5G will enable extra layer of safety when we're inside a car. That can actually provide last-minute collision avoidance. And in smart factories, we'll be able to make precision manufacturing processes implemented to make manufacturing more efficient and more accurate when we're producing products. Regionally speaking, for cellular IoT connection, there's a huge contrast between what's happening in the United States and what's happening in China. In the United States, there are about, at the end of 2018, there are about 100 million cellular IoT connections. And out of those 100 million, about 40% or 40 million connections are high-valued connections, such as that are coming from connected cars or fleet management vehicles. That brings in the highest revenue compared to any other verticals. In contrast, China has about 6 times more number of cellular IoT connections compared to the United States. It has over 600 million connections, but most of their connections are coming from smart cities or smart utilities, smart metering, which are actually considered one of the lower revenue-bringing verticals. So there's a huge contrast. So is United States actually getting most of the money? Yes, but the thing is smart cities or smart metering a low-valued item? Not necessarily, because it brings the convenience. It actually makes the city more futuristic and give convenience to the public. So both regions actually have a lot of things to benefit from looking at each other.